So here we have the hiking stove. We've had this for a while now, so we don't still have the box anymore. So what you get separate, unfortunately, is the 227 gram butane canister that goes with it. So put that there. This is what you get inside the box. Obviously minus the butane canister. So I'll open this up. So inside the bag will be everything that's included. So the bag's just a little mesh bag used to carry the stove. So we'll open up the lid. So the lid itself has a little, you can see that there, just a little hole in it. Obviously when you're boiling up water and you're going to have steam coming through. So inside it is a little cup. We'll take this out. That there is the jet, which I'll show you in a minute. So that canister fits inside the bottom there. And you'll find gas control, as well as installed inside the device is actually an ignition switch. So here it comes with collapsible handles, which just wrap around the edges. So we'll put that back around like so. So they just collapse around the side of it like that. So the unit itself, there's little notches in the bottom that line up with little dimples inside there. So inside the dimples on the inside, they line up with those holes. So you line that up like that. Just simply screws on and set like that. So when you purchase the canisters, they come with a little safety cap. So you just simply remove the safety cap and pull in this tab, which exposes the threaded notches that go inside the bottom here. So you grab the canister like so, put inside the thread at the base of the jet. The little hissing noise is actually butane that's escaping from the can. The more you turn it, that seals itself up. So that's it there, like so. So we'll do, so put that down. We'll line up the notches on the canister, insert, and then twist. So there's that like that. On the outside of the jug is like a stubby cooler sort of fabric. So we've got the name Camp Master. Inside on the hinges, they're internally riveted. I'm not sure if you can see those inside there. So little rivets that go through to the handles and secure the handles to the actual unit itself. Now on the side here we have a little pocket. Some people usually put their knives and forks or whatever their cooking implements are with that. So what we'll do is we'll grab a litre of water and we'll give it a test. So what we've got here is just a litre of cold water. We'll try it with cold water. So there's a litre of cold water. So what we'll do is we'll turn around this unit, we'll turn the gas on, grab the little button on the side and ignite it. So what we'll do, we'll start the timer, we'll turn it on full bore and we'll see how long it takes to heat up. So with our test, we found from cold water straight out of the fridge is 4 minutes and 4 seconds. On the Kmart website it says that it would take roughly 3 minutes and 5 seconds to boil. Now we're going to try a test with room temperature water, allowing time for the stove to cool down.
Next day.
So here we have the room temp water. So notice the venue change, so I'm having to do this in the house now, doing a 7-day isolation. One of the kids ended up getting COVID. So here we'll start that test. We'll turn him on. So there we are, 3 minutes 56 seconds. So this time around was only using room temperature water, with a difference of about 8 seconds compared to cold water straight out of the fridge.